Welcome to Little TV Rhyme and Reason. Christmas is around the corner, and today we're diving into the magic of holiday language. In this video, you'll learn 10 essential Christmas phrases that will help you sound festive and fluent this holiday season. Whether you're writing holiday cards, singing carols, or simply chatting with friends, these phrases will bring the Christmas spirit to your words. Let's get started. Merry Christmas. This is the classic greeting used on December 25th to wish someone a joyous holiday season. It's universally recognized and spreads cheer during this festive time. For example, when you meet friends or family on Christmas Day, simply say, "Merry Christmas." It's warm, cheerful, and spreads holiday joy. Season's greetings. This phrase is often used in holiday cards or formal settings. It's a more general greeting that covers all winter holidays. For example, season's greetings from our family to yours. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season, filled with love and warmth. 'Tis the season to be jolly. This line comes from the Christmas carol Deck the Halls. It's a playful way to remind people to embrace the joy and festivities of the season. For example, as you hang decorations and listen to Christmas music, remember, 'tis the season to be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Taken from the same carol, this phrase encourages decorating with traditional greenery like holly, garlands and wreaths. For example, this weekend we're going to deck the halls with boughs of holly to get ready for Christmas. Santa is coming to town. This popular phrase comes from the song Santa Claus is Coming to Town and is used to build excitement for Christmas Eve. For example, don't forget to leave cookies and milk out, Santa is coming to town tonight.
Let it snow. This is a cheerful phrase often associated with the classic holiday song, Let It Snow. It expresses joy at the sight of falling snow. For example, the weather outside is frightful, but we're staying cozy indoors and saying, "Let it snow."